Welcome to my site, Irresistible. This will be my first tutorial. I will be publishing tutorials on everything from how to publish your book for free, editing your video, and getting a free thumbnail. My first tutorial will be on how to get a great thumbnail for free using Canva. I will show you how to do this. It's a simple multi-step process so you can create your thumbnail. Thumbnails are important to help attract people to go to your site. It's important to see the video to the end to make sure that you don't miss anything. So let's get started.
First, let's go to https://www.canva.com. Here you will find the main page. In the top right corner, you will find the Sign Up button so you may open an account. Click on the Sign Up button, and here you will go to the next page. On this page, you will find a small box that will give you the option of either registering via your email, or other options when you press the Continue Another Way button. This gives you a list of options to register. Once you register, you will go to a page where you will see a box that states that a code was sent to your email address that you registered with. Place the code in the box, push the Continue button, and you will be sent to the next page. On this page you will be asked what you plan to use Canva for. Are you going to use it for personal use, small business, or something else? Once you've picked your choice on how you plan to use Canva, it will send you to another page. There, they will give you the option of continuing to use Canva free or upgrading it to Canva Pro with a 30-day free trial. If you are only interested in trying out Canva for free, then press the Maybe Later button in the top right corner. This will bring you to the main page where you will go to the button at the top right corner and press the Create a Design button where you will enter the search box that you are looking for thumbnails. You will then see a list of different thumbnails for you to find. Once you've chosen the thumbnail that you are interested in, you will be sent to another page. You will find on this page a huge list of thumbnails. Some thumbnails can only be used by Canva Pro holders. Some of them are sold individually. But there is still a comprehensive list of thumbnails that are available for free. Once you choose the thumbnail that you want to work with, you will then be sent to another page, which will show you the thumbnail that you've chosen. There you will see, Customize this template. You will then be able to change the photo and the wording to your liking. Once you are satisfied with your thumbnail, go to the top on the left to find the File button where you will see a menu fall into place. Then press the Save button. Once the file is saved to the location you've picked, then go back to the File button, and when the menu comes into view, press the Download button. Once again, you see the page that invites you to try the Canva Pro trial period for 30 days for free. Finally, you have a beautiful thumbnail. Please subscribe to my channel. Look forward to my new video, Ultimate Guide, publish your ebook for free using Draft 2 Digital in 2024.